Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be introducing you to an npx package I created that sets up a REST API server for you without having to write everything from scratch. So without further ado, let's hop on to the video. I have been developing web applications for almost a year now, and one particular thing I find very annoying is setting up the REST API every time. What I mean is, we have npx create react app for setting up a React application, but no such thing for REST API, and we use it so much. Every time you have to create the same package.json, then write the same routes file and model file and connect to MongoDB every single time. So as a fellow software developer, I created REST API init, an npx package that sets up a ready to run REST API for you. Just run npx REST API init and it will set up the entire REST API for you so that you don't have to do it every time. After the installation is done, run npm start and your server is up. If you want to check, open localhost 5000 on your browser and you can see the response from the REST API. A quick overview of the structure. The root directory contains your package.json that defines the details of the REST API like name, dependencies, dev dependencies, etc. Index.js sets up the server. Then the routes folder that contains routes.js, which defines the get, post, patch, put and delete routes. Finally, the models folder having model.js, which defines the schema. The code for the npx package is public on GitHub. Feel free to check it out and give a star if you found it helpful. If you create REST APIs using Node, Express and MongoDB, then I would highly encourage you to create it using this package and give suggestions for improvement. I have also put all the necessary links in the description of this video for you to reference. And thank you for watching the video, and if you found this video helpful, please like the video. Thank you.